It's now time for Section 1. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. And earlier we had the toss and St. Hugh's Prep 1 and decided to send Belair Prep first. Now, this section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Belair. Bible knowledge. In the Bible, who wrote the book of the Acts of the Apostles?
Paul.
Incorrect. Luke. Bible knowledge. St. Hugh's. In the Bible, who wrote the most of the epistles in the New Testament?
Luke.
Incorrect. Paul. Local affairs. Belair. A visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Patricia Scotland.
Incorrect. Audrey Sewell. Cabinet Secretary. Local affairs. A visual question. St. Hugh's. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Desmond Kennedy.
Incorrect. J.C. Hutchinson, Minister of State. Science. Belair. Puberty only takes place in girls. Is this statement true or false?
False.
Correct. Science. St. Hugh's. The period between puberty and adulthood is called adolescence. Is this statement true or false?
True.
Correct. Television. A visual question. Belair. Look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Elmer Fudd.
Incorrect. Lex Luthor. A visual question for you, St. Hugh's. Look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Hulk.
Correct. English language. Belair. What tense is used in the following sentence? My mother is living in Canada.
Present continuous tense.
Correct. English language. St. Hugh's. What tense is used in the following sentence? The girl visited her mom in Paris.
Past tense.
Correct. Sports. A visual question. Belair. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Lauren Donaldson.
Correct. Sports. A visual question for you too, St. Hugh's. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Sharika
Jackson.
Incorrect. Alison Swaby, Reggae Girls player. General knowledge. Belair, Edinburgh, Glasgow, and Dundee are major cities in which country?
Switzerland.
Incorrect. Scotland. General knowledge. St. Hugh's, Sao Paulo, Fortaleza, and Rio de Janeiro are major cities in which country?
Brazil.
Correct. Belair, social studies. Is the equator a circle of latitude, longitude, or neither?
Neither.
Incorrect. Circle of latitude. Social studies. St. Hugh's. Is the prime meridian a line of latitude, longitude, or neither?
Longitude.
Correct. Music. Belair. Who won the JCDC's Gospel Star competition in 2023?
Slash.
Incorrect. Oral Lawson or Suit Boss. Music. St. Hugh's. What was the title of the winning song in the JCDC Festival Song Competition in 2023?
Sauce.
Incorrect. Best in the world. Belair, mathematics. What is the square root of 81 multiplied by the square root of 121?
99.
Correct. Mathematics. St. Hugh's. What is 12 squared multiplied by 2 squared?
30. 476.
Incorrect. 576. Belair, Jamaican Affairs. Who is the opposition spokesman on health in Jamaica?
Morris.
Correct. Jamaican Affairs. St. Hugh's. Who is the opposition spokesman on transport in Jamaica?
Not sure. Just say
Darrell Vaz.
Incorrect. Michael Phillips. Sports. Belair. And we don't have time for any more questions in this section. That's the end of Section 1, and the scores are Belair Prep on 5 and St. Hugh's Prep also on 5, so we have a tie. We head to the break with a Guardian Achiever tip, and it is: have a positive attitude in this new school year. Be confident in yourself, because with hard work, you can excel in all your classes. That's our Guardian Achiever tip. Please stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.